Hey everyone, Joel here at the DVE store. So I'm going to show you guys how we can live stream with a camera and be able to bring in an external microphone if our DSLR camera or a video camera does not have an external input. So let's jump on in. Alright, so to begin with getting our video camera to be able to get it to the computer, to be able to do our live streaming, we're going to need a box or an encoder in between. So there's definitely quite a bit out in the market that will do this for us, and a lot of times our cameras have an HDMI out and it's able to monitor the audio sending out through the output of the HDMI, and so the video and audio are married together, and then we can bring it into our computer to do the live streaming. So not every camera has an external input to add our microphone. So the way that we can do this is Magewell has their USB HDMI Plus box. And what this will do is this gives us a external microphone. So then now we can plug in our mic here instead of going into the camera, since it doesn't have that input. And then we're able to have the audio now into the computer to do our live streams. So that could go through Skype, it could go through GoToMeeting, it could be for gaming, you name it, web streaming, Facebook Live. So I'm going to show you guys real quick of hooking this up here. So what we'll first do is we'll go ahead and take our USB cable and we'll go ahead and plug this in. And for this example, I am using a Mac and currently have QuickTime Player open. You can just do File, New Movie Recording if you want to be able to record. And so from here, now I've got the box plugged in, no signal, of course, because there's nothing plugged into it. So now what we'll do is we'll take our video camera and we'll go ahead and plug that into the input section there. And now we have picture. And then, so for instance, I want to go wireless with this. So this is a Sennheiser, this is the EW112P G4. And now I can have like a lavalier mic attached on me and then have like a clean look if I don't want to see the microphone. Or I could use, you know, a lavalier microphone hardwired into here if you don't mind being cabled. Pretty much any microphone you really want to use, we just need to adapt to the 3.5 millimeter input on the Magewell box. So what we'll do now is we'll take on our receiver here for our wireless unit. This guy will just plug right in like so. And then now we'll go into QuickTime, or if you're using Skype or whatever application you're using, you can tell the computer where the audio is coming from. In this case, it's still going to be coming from the Magewell USB box. So we'll scroll down here to the audio section and select the audio from the HDMI USB Plus. And now we have our video and audio married together. So if you guys have any questions, you need any help, I'll put my email address down below. Feel free to shoot me an email. I'm happy to help. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.